Good morning!
Good morning. Good morning.
Happy Saturday! Today is May 18. Oh my God, malapit na naman ang pagtatapos ng buwan na to. Si Sak nililinis niya ng alcohol yung kanyang shoes. And tayo ay pupunta na tayo sa robe, di ba? Ang baba ng ating ano. Kailangan ko ulit i-adjust yung ating camera. Ayan. Naglagay lang ng wood si dyan sa fireplace kasi maghapon tayo wala dito sa sa bahay. So naglagay siya ng dalawang super laking wood and then maliit na isa. So bali tatlo siya, pero yung malalaki talaga yung kinuha niya. Sabi niya, hopefully it will last until mamayang hapon pagdating namin. Kasi malamig guys, kasi nga winter na. So 7:28 na. Dapat alis kami 7 o'clock pero hindi siya nasunod. Pero hindi ako late. Ako nauna sa car. Si Jan kasi nagpagas pa siya. Then yeah, naglagay ng wood. So, how many hours? 2 hours han to rope? An hour and a half pala papuntang rope galing sa bahay. Good luck boys! Good luck! Good luck boys!
Thank you.
Oh my God. Parang hindi nila ako naririnig. How about you, Bob? Are you right there?
Yep.
Pakita ko sa inyo ang baon namin mamaya. Kanta rin naman siya.
It's the same old story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let you in.
Dito na tayo sa robe. And so far, maganda yung weather kasi hindi siya nagdi-drizzle. Kasi last time, nung pumunta kayo dito, sobrang lamig. Parang ang taas ko naman. Naputo yung tumaas. Yan ang aking struggle dito sa camera. May nagro-run. Huh? Maganda dito sa robe. Ito yung isa sa magandang town din dito.
How could that all be reserved?
Oo, tumawag si Joe, sinabihan kami na hindi raw kayo makakapark kung saan tayo before nagpa-park kasi naka-reserve lahat. There's none there, there's no people. Walang tao pa. Pero naka-reserve siya sa mga tao siguro dito sa ano. Home base ba? Bayad tayo ng $10 per adult.
G'day mate, too, thank you.
I see Joe.
Where?
Where?
Down there. Oh, all the way down there. The girls there.
Okay.
That's bullshit.
That was stupid. Thanks, bud.
Thank you.
Wala tayo ng parking kasi wala naman masyadong car, naka-reserve nga lahat. Bakit ganun
Park in the
sila?
middle of it, Dad. Here.
What,
We
serious?
can't see. Just
Road,
park,
pharmacy,
hon.
elders.
What, serious?
What? You're going to park?
I don't know where I'm going to park then.
Over there,
know.
where Canada.
Kasi naka-reserve.
park there.
Yeah, no. Too close.
I don't know.
Kasi walang magandang ano, wala pa masyadong car
Ash got a
guys.
park.
Where?
Straight ahead.
Ang dami pang pwedeng pagparkan pero naka-reserve sila. So ngayon hindi namin alam kung saan tayo magpa-park. Doon maraming pwedeng pagparkan pero naka-reserve sila lahat doon.
Only other spots around that side, around that pocket there.
That's bad.
All that.
Galit na
Wank.
galit.
Yeah.
Okay, honey, your voice.
Obi.
I'm not
Rewards.
fucking parking
Okay,
down
good
there.
luck.
Where am I going?
Kuya, good luck.
Mama, I'm going outside.
Okay, good luck. Ayun si Kuya. Ay, dito sila, Joe. Nandun sila nakapark. Dito sila. Sama sila sa amin. Dito. Nakapark na sila dun eh. Nanood pala kami ng netball. And ayan si Jan. Binilan tayo ng bacon and egg. Ano ba? Tapos na si Sophie. Panalo sila. Ngayon, dito naman tayo. Mag-start na yung boys. Need ko yung phone ni Johnny Boy. Kasi itong DJI natin, hindi ito makaka-capture ng maayos, guys. Kasi naka-zoom na kayo. Oh. Wala nang isa-zoom pa to. Go, Sak! Good job, Sak! Go, Sak! At least ito na sa zoom natin. Pero malayo pa rin tayo, guys. Nakagaw si Kuya! Good job! Hindi ko yun nakunan. First goal ulit si Kuya. Hindi natin nakunan nandun. Oh. Kuya! Go, Sak! Yes! Yes! Go! Go, kick! Go, go! Oh my God! Go, Kuya! Oh! Yes! Oh no! Oh, it's a go, kick it! Oh my God! Sinalo niya. Yes! Yes, we go! Sak! Good job! Oh! Tapos na. Pero at least naka 3 goals tayo.
Where's me roll?
Huh? I think so. Hiningal ako. Second quarter. Go, go, go. Go, Sak. Go, Kuya.
Come on.
Come on, come on. Go.
Yes.
One more. Yes, yes, yes. Go. Yes, it's a goal.
Well done,
Go.
Zach.
Good job, Saki boy.
Good work, Taj. Beautiful.
Go, Sak. Ay. Yes. Yes, Sakari! Good job, Sak! Good job! Naka-goal ulit. Dito na yung goal natin, no? Go, Kuya! Go, Kuya! Go, go! Go, kick! Come on, go, go, Jack! Kick! Yes! Yes!
Well done out in the middle, Taj. Beautiful, mate.
Sak! Kick! Oh, oh. Go, 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 go. Go. Oh. Go, Kuya! Good, Kuya! Get it. Oh. Go, Sak! Good job, Sak! Good job, Sak! Go, Sak! No mark ni Sak. Go, Sak. Point. Naka-point. Tamaan yung ulo ni Kuya. Sinisigawan siya ni daddy niya na toughen up. Wow, Zachary! Have you seen that? Go, Zach! Parang makipag...
It's alright, Tyler. Keep the pressure on him.
Si Zach nila lambitin na niya mga kalaban. No. Go, Zach! Oh! Good job! Go, job! Go! Go, Zach! Good job! Oh! Ang cute na magkapatid. Oh, go, Zach!
Good work, Demons. Good pressure. Keep it up.
Ah, ang cute ng dalawa. Go, Max! Go, go, go! Get it! Kick it! Oh, third quarter. Siksak na sa bench. Go, Kuya!
Well done.
Zach, pinasok na ulit si Zach. Zach is in, Han. Zach is in. Here. There. Yeah, see? It's running. Look, look. Oh. Go, Zach. Good job, Zach. Good try. Oh. Oh. Go, go. Oh. Last quarter. Go, boys. Is Zach's here and Kuya? Fourth quarter. Naupo na ako dito, guys. Sa likod ng car nila. Kylie. Ayan si Kuya. Si Zach nandoon. 36 si Kuya. Si Zach 36 si Kuya number 2. Go. Go, go, go. Is that Zach? Oh. Go, Zach. Go, Zach. Go, Kuya. Go, TJ. Kick, kick. Oh. Good job, Zaggy boy. One score. Point. At least naka-point. Naka-point si Zag. Yes, we won. Tapos na, guys. So, how many points were? 29, I think. 29. I think. 29 points ang panalo natin sa kanila. Ang init na ng sun, guys, dito. Nakaupo na kami dito.
Until I'm getting pumped up.
Okay. Dito na sila, Kuya. Hiya! Where's Zach? With Dad? Who's best player?
Taj, Zach.
Taj and Zach? How about you?
Yeah.
Not today? It's alright. So, tapos na yung laro nila, Kuya. Mag-edit ako. Si Kobe nang naglalaro and kumano ko ng orange. Ayan. How did you go, Zach?
Good. Get my goal?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, this is where's Daddy? This is time.
I can give it to him.
This is Tyrone. Kuya's ringing, yeah. That's your dad's phone. How did you go? Kuya is over there. Daddy. Zach. What you got?
Best one?
Huh?
Best one?
Best player. Yeah, Kuya told me already.
Love you.
Love you, bye. May binubuksan na envelope. Makita. May nilagyan kong talga sa ang init, guys, yung araw pa. What's that, Han?
TJ.
This is Kuya. For what?
Yeah.
For what? What's this, Daddy?
Right, right. Do you want the windows down? Pretty
No,
muggy,
yeah. For what this one? Voucher.
Yeah.
Oh, si Kuya, hindi siya best player pero mayroon siyang voucher para sa Bay Pizzeria. Init, guys, dito sa car. Dahil sa sun. And nakakain ako ng maraming mandarins. Ayan yung mga balat. Ito yung baon namin. Meron ako dito yung aking pa-cheese platter. Sana yung wafer na crackers. Meron tayong Olinas. Ito yung Olinas brand. Yung pita crisp. Ayan. A what?
An orange.
Orange mandarin. We got mandarin. Si Holly gusto niya. Buksan.
I got them more.
Ha?
I got them.
Yeah. So, balatan lang natin to para makakain ang ating Holly.
To be more.
Lagi siyang nasa labas naglalaro. Who are you playing with, Baba?
No one, because I can't find.
No one?
Yeah,
But before I thought you with, who was that? With the other girl, the big girl. Not big, tall one. Who's that one? I forgot. But you were with that girl. Okay, yan. And yung pistachios.
Casey, he went.
Yeah. Case. She left. Pistachios. And yung aking mga protein bars. Pero hindi ko pa siya busog kasi kumain ako kaninang diba? Yung egg and bacon. So, anong oras na? What time is it? Anong oras na, baby? Not sure. 12:29. So, yun ang kinain ko kaninang umaga. Tapos, orange. So, ngayon, busog pa ako. And meron din pala akong dalang, tuna. Yung lemon. Lemon tuna. And meron din ako yung goat cheese. And meron tayong corn. Alam nyo na yan. And, di ba meron akong mga dumating na mga Filipino food. So, meron pala akong grapes. O, di ba? Ang dami naming baon para hindi magutom. Ayan, grapes. Si Puchi, guys. Ayan, Puchi.
I want one, please.
Yes, after that one. And, curly tops. Curly tops. Shine, shine. O, di ba? Ako, ang dami kong naman sa aking patinda doon. There's your Puchi later, Baba. Yeah. Maganda rin yung laro nila, Kobe. Leading sila. 25. Kasi ang ganda ng ng weather, pero hindi siya maganda pag nakatayo ka sa labas kasi parang masusunog ka sa sakit ng init ng araw. So, kaya hinubad ko na rin yung jumper kasi pinagpapawisan tayo. Tapos meron tayong towel dito kasi yung sun papunta dito sa loob ng car. So, yan yung aming baon. Pero hindi ko alam kung makakain natin yan. Kasi busog yung mga bata. Binigyan ni Jan ng pera, tigda 20. So, bumili na si kuya ng, bumili siya ng chips. Si Sak, hindi ko alam kung anong binili niya. But yeah, they have $20 each. Ito, kanina pa to bili din. One more, mandarin baby. That's it. You want Puchi now? After that one, bigyan ko siya. I'll give you 5.
Yes.
Okay? 50 pieces ang laman nito, guys. For $9. Pero nabenta ko siya.
Healthy?
No, it's not healthy, baby. It's not healthy at
What is
all.
without the sugar?
That's sugar. That's too much sugar. Okay, mag-edit na ako. Pinapanood ko rin kasi si Cobb kasi ang ganda rin ng laro nila.
What's that the love thing?
I know, si Sak gusto rin yung si Puchi.
It smells like strawberry milk.
Strawberry milk. Ayan, mayroon din tayo. Okay lang palang wala to kasi wala na yung araw. Kanina nandito. Si Kuya, si Sak, they like the Cloud9. You like the chocolate? Last night, the Cloud9. That was good too. Si John gusto niya yung Cloud9 din.
He said it's alright.
Oh, Daddy?
Yeah.
But he had 2. So, it's good for him. He just said that it's alright. But yeah, nakadalawa siyang Cloud9. Yung malaki. Kasi merong maliliit yung classic. Merong
Mommy
malalaki.
gave me 4. Just kidding.
No.
I ate one.
Yeah. Oh, hahaha. Ang cute kaninang magkama dyan. Hi, Papa. Nag-aasaran sila kanina. Gamit ni Jan yung hat ko. Wala kasi siyang dala. Sobrang init. Tinanggal niya na rin yung jumper niya.
We won't be home till like 6 o'clock.
Oh, who cares, Jack?
Okay, because I don't want to drive all the way.
Oh, yeah, I feel like that's freaking hot.
Makain siyang mandarin.
This one.
You're welcome.
One more, please.
What you gonna say?
Please.
What you gonna say?
Love you.
Ang tamis nitong orange, guys.
Hey, good. Where'd you get it from?
One of daddy's customer, the one charter with daddy from Adelaide.
Oh.
You know, they give us a bag, huh? Where's Kuya? No, you don't know. Where's Kuya Han?
They don't have frappes.
What frappe? Ah, the drink. Welcome. Duguan siya.
No, I want to put tissue on it.
Let me see.
Just lick it and go on.
How that happened?
Tissue!
Yeah.
Don't just hold it on the actual stick. Good look. Yeah. Right at the bottom. The bottom here.
Tapos na yung game, saka pa siya duguan.
I'll just keep licking it, it'll go away.
Ew. Ew. Si Brock daw may gawa. Naglalaro pa rin kasi sila ng footy doon. Oh. Did he tackle you or what? And how?
He just tackled me.
And then how you got?
He grabbed my arms and I couldn't put it in front of my body. And I just hit the ground.
I have a pasty.
And all that.
Are they? What else can you get? There's that.
Hey, just let me use it.
Gusto niyang tingnan yung mga kuha kong clips.
That's what all the lads from Good Golf, was at 30.
Ang cute ng mukha mo.
First 6 months, you
Keep
can take
falling
it
down
on.
the ground, mate. You're starting to fake farm.
Diba? Inupuan niya na doon.
Sit back a bit so I get out of the sun.
Ayan na siya. Oh. Tingnan niya na yung mga galawan niya doon. Si Kuya, hindi pa yung bumabalik dito. Mamaya pa yun sige, pag pauwi na talaga tayo. Guys, tapos na ang game. Who won, Sak?
Us?
Us? You sure? Yung, ano ba, yung A grade, yung matatanda. Who won, Han?
Not us.
Not us, Zachary.
I was just joking. We got flogged.
Yeah, talo. Parang nanalo lang sila, Sak. Only you won, right? On your,
Huh?
Yeah. Oh, and C grade.
and C grade.
Under
There's
17.
Under 17, yeah. So sila Sak tsaka sila Kobe. Is it Kobe? No. Yeah, Kobe.
What do you mean?
Kobe won, right? Under 17.
Yeah.
Yeah. So sila lang yung nanalo, the rest talo. So yeah, 4:42 na. I'm hungry. Yung kinain ko lang is yung nakita nyo, yung bacon and egg tapos orange. Yung baong kong mga biscuit hindi. Oh, ano pa ba? Yeah, yun lang. Tapos yung curly tops. Dami kong nakain na curly tops. Ito oh. Halos ano na lang yan. Yung balot ng curly tops. Oh, si Holly. Nasaan na si Holly? So, uwi na tayo. Zach! Hi! Oh, you're coming with us?
We're just getting drop time so that me and Maddie can go in the same car.
Alright. Zach, you want this?
You go in the middle. So you can sit next to Maddie.
Magkano ang sunshine. Kanina kumain si Zach.
Try that back.
Ang kasama natin si Sophie and si Maddie. Seatbelt ba? Si Kuya nandun sa car nila, Sophie. Si Sophie siya, si Maddie dito sa atin. Ayan. Si Zach nandun sa pinakalikod.
Thumbs up.
May phone siya. Binigay ni Daddy yung phone. Seatbelt yan ni Jam. See?
Bye us!
Dito na tayo kila Callie. Nandun na sila. And after dito kila Sophie, pupunta tayo ng pub kasi nag-order si Jan ng takeaway. Kasi hindi na tayo makakapagluto, guys. 6:22 na. Yeah.
Dad, water. Dad!
Chicken parmy for
Dad!
you. Oh, may ilaw.
The food would be ready. Yeah.
Gusto na ni Zach umalis para pick upin yung food. So, hindi pa yung ready. Niring ni Jan, siguro mga 20 minutes.
With Maddie, Mom.
Ha?
So if you
20 minutes
when she was
bago tayo makarating dito
Mom,
kila
can you make sure of
Sophie. Picking up our food.
Oh,
Oh, sila lang pala. Yung food lang nila.
she's yours, that little TJ.
Oh, that's yours.
Spaghetti. Here, someone hold this.
Yeah. Because I cannot hold that one. Si Sak at si Holly hati sila dito kasi ang laki nitong schnitzel na to. Chicken schnitzel. Kay John, steak with gravy. Si Kuya, pasta, spaghetti. Ako, yung tuna sa akin, guys. Tsaka crackers. Ayan si Sak. Okay. We're gonna yeah, we got a plate. We're gonna close the vlog. Can you close the vlog, Saki? Hoy, thank you.
Thank you. Close off.
Wait, I can close the vlog, Saki.
Thank you. Please
Gutom na yun. Okay, good night, guys. Ito yung akin, guys. And yung ating fire. Yung ating fireplace ay pagdating namin nilagyan agad ni Jan ng kahoy. And yeah, at least hindi siya namatay kasi kung hindi, ang lamig-lamig guys dito sa bahay. Ang lamig na sa labas. So yan lang yung update ko sa inyo dyan. So, good night, guys.
Because I